really nice and come back again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. So basically I have some fruits left over and I said to myself I need to do something with this mixed fruits. Basically this is the fruits right here, and I'm gonna just add it straight inside of my container right here. A lot of people know Chef Ricardo work already, you know what I mean? We normally have to have stuff like this on the YouTube channel, tips and ideas for the fans them. So basically this is what I have left over the last couple of days, you know what I mean? And I decided I want to use them up, do something with it, and I said to myself, what should I do? Could share something with the fans. Yes, that's looking so lovely and nice and yummy. So I said no, I'm not gonna chuck it in the bin. Simple. Get some lovely vanilla ice cream. Put it on top of it like this. Nice, lovely. 3 lovely scoops will do really well with the job, as you can see. Nice and lovely. So if you love a garnet work, what you can do something like this, and basically you can pop a little bit of strawberry syrup on top of it like this and serve it for your lover, someone who you love, someone who, you know what I mean, really make your day really nice. So basically just enjoy the recipes, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you, looking so lovely and nice and yummy. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you guys. Thank you so much. Hopefully this will be a benefit to you. See you next time with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show.